The world wakes quietly, and so do I. No alarms, just the rhythm of the morning. The air feels alive, like it's calling me outside. Simple things somehow feel the most complete. Every leaf holds a story, if you slow down enough. Nature gives without asking for anything back. Clean, pure, just like this moment. Cooking is not a task, it's a quiet kind of love. Warm food, warm heart. The forest doesn't speak, yet it understands everything. Hidden treasures, waiting for patient hands. Time flows, but here it feels like it pauses. Sometimes freedom feels like this. Rest is not laziness, it's part of living. Even small efforts build a peaceful life. Evenings carry a different kind of magic. Light doesn't need to be loud to shine. The night listens, better than anyone. I didn't find happiness. I slowed down and it found me. And tomorrow, I will live it all again.